I'm here to fit the Brembo brakes on my bike. I've just got the brakes and I have everything with me. I'll show you. This is the brake. I have fitted the master cylinder into it. This is the clutch. This is the brake oil I bought from Bajaj. And for the brake purpose, all you have to do is get this thing out. This is bolted from here. You remove this and this whole thing comes out. Then you place this brake over there. For the clutch, this does not come out easily, so you have to take this whole assembly out, take the bar end out, take the mirror out, take this out and take this out, then this will come out. So you have to do that. So for the brake thing, you have to get this entire thing out. For doing that, I have first unplugged these two plugs. This is for the brake light. Now we have to open this, but we have to be careful while opening this because there is brake fluid in it, and if brake fluid you spill it over some paint part, it will damage the paint. So we have to remove this bolt and get this entire assembly out from here. Alright, so I have loosened these two bolts and I have loosened this one. So remember, when you're doing it on a GT or any other bike, first you loosen this bolt because it's very tight. If you get these two loose, then you won't be able to remove this properly. So remember that. As you can see, I have removed this side, brake, everything. To remove this part, you will have to remove this entire thing. So there is one bolt over here that I have loose, and there is one bolt underneath here. You have to remove both of these. Then this will open up and you have to slide this out to get this thing out. So yeah, look, I have removed this entire thing. You will need this and you won't be needing this. So remove this. There is a sensor, this part. You have to bolt this off and remove this, and it's very delicate, so be careful. Alright, so now the removing process is done. I have removed both the sides. I have kept it over there. The new brakes are over here, brake and clutch. The reason why you are seeing this is because I have spray painted this black, because I don't want any silver looking things over here. So now let's start putting this thing together. Okay. Alright, so everything is done. I have fitted the clutch. This is the brake and this is how the brake is looking. One thing to note, in GT, when you are changing this part, you have to pull it out, and I have just adjusted and placed it over here. So you have to take care while placing this. This is a very delicate part. This is the wiring that I have done for the brake light from this brake. Yeah. Whew. And that is it. Okay, it's been a month since I've been using the Brembo brakes and clutch. So I'm gonna tell you what are the good things and the bad things about it. Also, I did not record how I put the clutch and the brake because it was getting dark and I was very tired. So I'll show you that right now. This is the brake. This is the master cylinder that you attach over here. There are two bolts that you screw on and this connects right away, which is very easy to do. And the second thing that you need to consider is this. This is the brake light switch. These are two wires that you have to connect in your existing wire by removing it from your original brakes. That's one. And for the clutch that I have been using, as I told you that this part was very delicate. So what I had to do was I had to remove that part and I had to solder the two wires over here. Otherwise this is not possible for GT and Interceptor at least. You have to do this to get the right fitting over here and the right connections. So you can do that at any local shop. This is how it looks from front. So as far as the brakes and the clutch is concerned, they work very well. The brakes do work a little better. There is no jerk when you brake, and the clutch has gotten a little bit lighter. It's maybe because of the adjustments that I have done. I've had no issues until now. So yeah, get a thumbs up from me.